Welcome to Anil TV Educations. Today's our topic is adverb. So, an adverb is a word that modifies a verb or another form of verbs. So, it indicates how, when, where or why something happens. So, here it indicates these questions. We generally get these questions: how, when, where, why. So, how he walks slowly, fastly, very fast. So, here slowly, fastly, very fast. These all are the examples of adverbs. So, here on the basis of their meaning, adverbs are classified as four types. The summary of adverbs are divided into four types: adverbs of time, frequent, or adverbs of places, adverbs of manner, or adverbs of degrees. In this, briefly we will discuss what are the examples of adverbs of time and adverbs of places, adverbs of manner, adverbs of degrees. Here adverbs are classified into four types as I know: adverbs of time, frequency and duration. So these all comes under adverbs of times. So how it answers the questions? Answers the questions when, how often, how long. So such type of questions comes under adverb of time. So example: always, never, then, now, soon, tomorrow, etc. These all are the asking questions: when, how often, how long. So now next is adverb of place. So here answers the question where. So here it asks the questions about where. In the adverb of time, it asks about when, how long, how often, how long. Here it asks about where: near, below, up and down, here, there. These all are the examples of adverb of places. In the third one is adverb of manner. So here answer the question how. Before, in that adverb of time, it asks when, and in adverb of degree, so answers the questions to what extent. So here examples are just, quite, very, hard, well, etc. These all are comes under adjectives. These are the four classified into four kinds. So these are the examples. Thank you.